Flip Mount Everest upside down and drop it into the ocean, and it still wouldn't touch bottom. The truth is, Earth hides places deeper, stranger, and more extreme than most of us can imagine. We often look to space for mystery. But our own planet still holds vast frontiers. Oceans, boreholes, ancient lakes, places where pressure can crush steel, temperatures rise like furnaces, and ecosystems survive cut off from the sun. I am Billy, and this is your own channel AIFacts by Billy. Today, dive with me to explore the 3 deepest places on face of our Earth. First, the Mariana Trench lies east of the Philippines, curving across 2,500 kilometers of Pacific seafloor. At its lowest point, the Challenger Deep, it reaches 10,935 meters, the deepest known spot on Earth's surface. If Everest were placed inside, its peak would still be 2 kilometers underwater. At the bottom, pressure is over 1,086 bars, 1,000 times the air pressure we breathe. That's the weight of 50 jumbo jets pressing down on a single person. Water is near freezing, just 1 to 4 degrees Celsius. Despite crushing pressures, life thrives. Amphipods, shrimp-like scavengers, survive at 10 kilometers deep. The Mariana snailfish is the deepest living fish ever found, at 8,200 meters. Microbes feed on hydrogen and methane, extremophiles hinting at alien life possibilities. In 1960, Jacques Picard and Don Walsh became the first humans to descend into Challenger Deep. In 2012, James Cameron made a solo dive lasting over 6 hours. Today, robotic probes like Japan's Keiko and China's Fendus explore the abyss, even finding plastic pollution. Next, on land, Russians drilled into the unknown. In Russia's Kola Peninsula lies the Kola Superdeep borehole. The deepest man-made hole on Earth, begun in 1970 during the Cold War's race to the mantle. By 1989, the Kola Borehole reached 12,262 meters, deeper than the Mariana Trench is tall. It remains the deepest hole ever drilled by humans. Scientists expected basalt at 7 kilometers but found granite. They discovered water locked in rock pores and plankton fossils over 2 billion years old. Temperatures reached 180 degrees Celsius, hotter than predicted. Rock bent like plastic, making further drilling impossible. Planned depth of 15 kilometers stopped at 12,262. As news spread, myths grew. Some claimed Soviets drilled into hell and recorded screams. In reality, these were seismic echoes exaggerated by tabloids. Lastly, in Siberia lies Lake Baikal, the world's deepest and oldest lake. At 1,642 meters deep and 25 million years old, it holds 20% of Earth's unfrozen freshwater, about 23,600 cubic km. Baikal is home to 3,600 plus species, most unique. It hosts the Baikal seal, the only freshwater seal and transparent fish adapted to icy depths. Scientists call this lake the Galapagos of Russia. Baikal's sediments preserve millions of years of climate history. Drilling reveals cycles of ice ages, volcanic eruptions, and atmospheric shifts going back 8 million years. Local legends tell of glowing lights and UFOs rising from the depths. In the 1980s, divers reported mysterious encounters underwater. Science points to methane bubbles, but myths endure. From the crushing blackness of the Mariana Trench, to the fiery depths of the Kola Borehole, to the icy silence of Lake Baikal, these places remind us how little we know about our planet. We dream of space, but Earth's greatest mysteries may be waiting just beneath our feet. Which would you explore? Please subscribe, like, share and comment to Built AI Facts by Billy Stronger AIFacts, powered by AI.